learning to make Coast Salish Drums. Snuneymuxw, drum maker, and local teacher Michelle Sokoloski was recently teaching a few groups of Dover Bay grade 8 students how to make Coast Salish Drums. Michelle was impressed by how hard the grade 8s worked and how interested in learning a little bit of culture they were. Teaching drum making is one of the ways Michelle can add to reconciliation within her school district. Her hope is that every school will have a whole class set of drums so that Indigenous and non-Indigenous students will learn some cultures within their schools.